King Solomon, the third ruler of the Kingdom of Israel, has been celebrated for millennia not just for his wisdom, but also for his unparalleled wealth. His riches were so vast that they have become the stuff of legends, often cited as benchmarks for prosperity and financial success. Yet, beyond the gold and glory, Solomon's true legacy lies in the principles he applied to acquire and manage his wealth. Principles that remain as relevant today as they were in ancient times. In this exploration, we unveil the 7 secrets to King Solomon's wealth, offering both a glimpse into the past and practical advice for the modern reader seeking financial wisdom and prosperity. Now, let's dive into the secrets, starting from the 7th and working our way to the most significant, the foundation of Solomon's wealth. Secret 7. Diverse investments. King Solomon's wealth was not the result of a single venture, but a tapestry of diverse investments. From trade expeditions to agricultural projects and even gold mines, Solomon understood the importance of not putting all his eggs in one basket. Solomon's economic activities spanned across various sectors. He sent ships to Ophir to bring back gold, silver, and ivory. His kingdom, strategically located, became a center for trade routes that connected the East and West. Solomon also invested in agriculture, developing vineyards, gardens, and pools to irrigate the arid lands, which not only fed his people but also generated surplus for trade. In today's financial landscape, diversification remains a cornerstone of wealth management. By spreading investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, or even new ventures, individuals can reduce risk and increase the potential for returns. Solomon's approach teaches us the value of exploring various opportunities and not being afraid to venture into new territories. Secret 6. Strategic alliances. Solomon's wisdom extended beyond mere financial acumen to include a deep understanding of the power of strategic alliances. He formed numerous alliances with neighboring countries through marriage and treaties, turning potential adversaries into partners. This web of alliances not only secured peace, allowing for prosperity and trade to flourish, but also opened up new trade routes and markets for Solomon's kingdom. Queen of Sheba's visit, for example, is emblematic of the mutual respect and beneficial relationships Solomon cultivated, leading to an exchange of gifts, trade goods, and knowledge. In the modern era, the value of networking and forming strategic partnerships cannot be overstated. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or climbing the corporate ladder, building a strong network can open doors to opportunities that might otherwise remain closed. Collaborations can lead to new ventures or projects, expanding your reach and resources. Solomon's legacy teaches us to view relationships not just as social connections, but as potential partnerships that can enhance our wealth and opportunities. Secret 5. Wisdom in judgment. Perhaps the most celebrated aspect of Solomon's character was his unparalleled wisdom, especially in judgment. This wisdom directly contributed to his wealth, as people from all over came to seek his counsel, bringing gifts and tributes. His decisions in legal matters, trade disputes, and diplomatic negotiations always aimed at maximizing the economic and social welfare of his kingdom. The famous judgment where Solomon proposed to divide a living child between 2 women claiming to be its mother, only to reveal the true mother through her compassionate plea, showcases his ability to discern truth and justice, thereby solidifying his reputation and authority. This historical anecdote underscores the importance of sound decision-making in financial success. Making informed, wise choices in investments, business ventures, and personal finance can significantly impact one's wealth accumulation. Cultivating a habit of thorough research, seeking counsel from more experienced individuals, and learning from both successes and failures can enhance one's ability to make beneficial decisions. Secret 4. Mastery of trade. Solomon's kingdom was a trade empire, with its wealth significantly buoyed by its strategic position on key trade routes. He capitalized on this, facilitating trade between Africa, Asia, and Europe. His ports buzzed with ships from distant lands, carrying spices, gold, precious stones, and fine woods. Solomon did not just passively benefit from this trade. He actively expanded it, building a fleet of ships and establishing trading posts. His initiatives not only brought wealth into his kingdom, but also spread his fame far and wide, attracting more traders and wealth. For today's entrepreneurs and business owners, Solomon's mastery of trade emphasizes the importance of understanding and leveraging market dynamics. Identifying and exploiting strategic market positions, whether through online platforms or global trade networks, can significantly enhance business success. Moreover, being adaptable and innovative in business practices, much like Solomon's ventures into new markets, remains crucial in today's rapidly changing economic landscape.